bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, honeys, we're going to continue with the Easter series. Today, we're going to make these really super adorable clothespins. These are like little embellishments that you can use for any project, for a Happy Mail, a flip book, anything that you want to use this for, you can. It's super easy, so cute, and I'm going to show you how to create these, okay? Now, these are so simple to make. You can make these and you can embellish them however you want, but I'm going to show you how I created this one, okay? So what you're going to use is going to be literally, let me put you closer, hold on. Literally like a few things. You need cupcake liners. I'm using the little tiny ones because my clothespins, as you can see here, are not that big. These are the ones that I got at Hobby Lobby. It was in clearance for like 75 cents. I thought it was really like Easter appropriate because it's yellow and it has like this really awesome glitter in the bottom. So I thought it would be awesome for an Easter project. But you can really use any regular clothespins that you have. I'm using these really fun chickies, or they're like little birdies embellishments that I use for last year's Easter series as well. I have so many of these. I have like tons of these left over, so I figured let me use them, you know, in a project. And so we're going to use these little birds or chickies or whatever you want to call them. I think I got these at Michael's last year. So I'm not sure where you can find these, but I'm pretty sure that if you search well, Michael's or AC Moore may have something similar to this, even like Hobby Lobby. And then the hot glue, and that's basically it. That's it. That's all we're going to use. I'm going to try to make these tutorials as simple and easy and quick as possible because I have so many to show you. I got like literally about maybe between 20 to 25 projects that I want to show you guys. So I'm trying to make these videos as short, quick, and easy as possible. So, and it's a challenge because you guys know me, I talk a lot. Okay, so let's get this party started. Okay, so what are you gonna do? The first thing you're gonna do is get your cupcake liners ready. So I'm gonna use 3 because I'm gonna do 3 little embellishments. Okay, 3. And then you're going to fold your cupcake liners. Now the mini ones are the best ones to use for this project because if you use the regular cupcake liner, it's going to be a little bit too big, I think, and it's going to like overpower your clothespin. Unless you're using regular size clothespins, then that would probably work. But if you're using like mini clothespins, you would probably need the mini cupcake liners, okay? All right, let's see here. So once you have your cupcake liners all ready and pinched in the center and shaped the shape that you want it to look, okay, just like that. Pinch it in the center. You hold it. This is my method to all my embellishments, by the way. This has never changed. If you guys watch me from the beginning, you would know that this is how I do my embellishments. I don't have any other special way of doing it. To me, it's the easiest way and it works. So why change something that's working for me? So now I have 3, right? Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is, the first thing we're gonna do is let's glue down a little bird or a little chick or whatever it is that you want to call it. I'm going to glue these down. Now these have already some glued dimensions in the back. So I'm just going to peel off the little paper. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue because again, I don't trust this glue. And you know, we're talking about wood veneer, which has it's not heavy, but it's heavy and a little bit heavy. So you want to make sure you secure it enough that it won't go anywhere, okay? So you hot glue your little embellishment to the center of your cupcake liner, like I'm doing here. Uh-oh, I ran out of glue. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, got more glue here. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, let's try this one more time. There we go. Okay, you're gonna add him to the center of your cupcake liner. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see this because these are really tiny. Okay, let me go up close. Again, I peel off the paper in the back, the backing, a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just gonna add it to the center of my cupcake liner, just like that. And that's what you should get. You should get something like this, see? How cute are those? Just like that by itself is adorable, right? They're so cute. But wait, we're not finished yet. Now we're going to take our clothespins that we have here, and we're going to add our little embellishment to our clothespins, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a little bit of hot glue to the clothespin. You're going to add your embellishment. Make sure your embellishment is facing how you want it to face. You got a little bit of time to play around with before it glues down permanently, okay? So make sure your embellishment is facing how you want it to face you. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna go to the next one. Again, another simple, easy project that you can create with your babies, or you can create for maybe a Happy Meal. See that? So cute, right? I love these clothespins. They're just so cute. I'm gonna do an Easter flip bag with you guys. So all these embellishments that we're creating together, we're going to include it in the Easter flip bag. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I think you're going to like it. And that's it. Done. How cute are these? See that? How simple, right? And easy, but how cute. So what I did was, I also went back, because I obviously, you know, I love to embellish things. I went back and I looked at what kind of bows I want to use for this project. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use this bow, and I'm going to use 2 of these. And what I did was, I just simply added a little bit of hot glue to the bow. Now you can create this bow yourself with like ribbon if you want. I just happen to have them already all done for me. And I'm gonna add this right in the side of my little embellishment. Just like that. And that gives it such a really cute little flirtatious, I don't know, just adorable look to it. You see that? How cute that looks? All right, let's do that to the other 2. And you don't need a lot, you just need like a little drop of hot glue. And then just add your bow wherever you want. In my case, I want to add it on this side. Now, if you want to add your bow maybe here on the tip of the, right here, you can. Wherever you want to add your bow, you can add it. I kind of like it on the side. I don't know, it looks cute to me, and I don't know, I like it that way. And then I have one more to do. Okay, there we go. And that's basically it, guys. And that's basically how I create these really adorable little embellishments. Look how cute that looks with a bow. Oh, so adorable. See that? How easy these were to create. Actually, let me show you. So what you can do is, if you want to clip them on to wherever you want to clip them on, see? You just simply just clip them. See that? They're very easy to use. And there you have it. And that's how you create these fun, adorable little clothespins. I just thought these were really super cute and fun to create. The back looks really nice and clean. As you can see here, it doesn't look messy at all. It looks nice and clean. You can add these to your flip bag. You can add these to maybe like a gift bag. You can add them to like a nice little Easter sign. So many things. A goodie bag would be awesome to add this also as a goodie bag. I just thought it would be such a fun little project, and you can use them in so many ways. Okay, honeys? I hope you guys enjoy this short and easy video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about these adorable clothespins. I hope you guys create them. Make sure if you tag me, you create these adorable little clothespins. Go into Instagram, tag me so I can see your work and I can see how your project turns out. All right, honeys. All my information about my Instagram is going to be in the bottom of this video, as well as other videos that we created together. I will see you guys soon on my next Easter series video. Can't wait. It's probably going to be up in another few days. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I will see you soon. Have a fantastic weekend, and please be safe out there. Bye, honeys.